Hello, my name is Tadhg Lynch. I'm a medical doctor.
And my name is Jennifer Dillon. I'm a chartered physiotherapist and also a yoga teacher.
And we both believe that it's really important to treat patients with spinal pain together. The answer isn't just medication or procedures. It also involves exercise, physiotherapy and multidisciplinary care.
Sometimes what I provide as a physiotherapist isn't always enough, and it's knowing when is the right time, sooner in some cases rather than later, to refer on to more specialist intervention, and also giving quite specific and subtle instruction with exercise prescription.
One of the best exercises that you can do is yoga, especially gentle yoga if you have severe spine pain. And ideally with these videos you'll be able to see what the right way to exercise is and be able to make a start on improving your function, which is the most important part, and it's very important to find a solution within yourself as well, so that you're not seeking external factors all the time to make yourself better. It's very important to practice yourself as well.
So we aim for you to move with function and ease, and please also, patience is quite a significant factor. Patience and commitment to the programme. Generally we would say most days of the week for at least 6 weeks to start to notice a change, and then continue on, and even after 12 weeks you will notice a greater improvement.
It takes time for your body to learn how to move properly, or to relearn how to move properly. If you've had an injury, if you've had a lot of pain, your muscles forget how to move. So yoga is a really good tool for retraining your body in how to move well and how to function in your daily life.
It will give you a greater confidence in yourself, and you will start to identify subtleties from different parts of your body as well. So we hope you enjoy the videos, and if you'd like to know more you can get my details below. Thank you. So the next sequence we're going to show you is ideal for people in the mornings, just to warm themselves up, get a nice comfortable stretch throughout the day, and if you're quite used to any level of medium to high intensity exercise, this should suit you. So we're going to come to standing or mountain pose, and take a moment here to settle in, and then we're just going to breathe in to stretch the arms out to the side and reach all the way up. Breathe out to fold forward, soften the knees ever so slightly on the first forward fold of the day. Inhale, lift the head, neck and chest to flat back. Exhale, fold forward, bring your hands flat, step one knee back, step the second knee back, and just drop the knees down. Take a few cat-cows here. So as you exhale, look, inhale, lift the head, neck and chest, and as you exhale, look towards the knees. And again, inhale, drop the belly and pelvis, and exhale, stretch towards the knees. About 4 to 6 of these, inhaling and exhaling and moving with the rhythm of your breath. And pause when you get back to the centre, and take a moment just to stretch the sides of your body. So look to the right, back to the centre, exhale, look to the left, back to the centre, exhale, look to the right, back to the centre, and look to the left, back to the centre. Pause here, find neutral, and slowly and gently on the next exhale, bring your butt back towards your heels, lift your knees, and take a down dog. Start to think about drawing the left knee down towards the mat, or you can drop both knees down towards the mat, and step the right foot forward. Stretch the arms to the hips first, and then bring the arms all the way up to the side. Bring the left hand to the outside of the right knee, and twist to the right. Take some nice full breaths here. Bring that right hand back to centre on the next exhale. Pause here for a moment. And if it feels comfortable for you to do so, on the next exhale, think about pressing through the back foot and lifting the back knee. Moving into high lunge, really finding strength and stability here. Slowly and gently stretch the arms all the way up. Challenge the balance and the length and strength a little bit more. And from here, if the arms are comfortable up high, you can start to lower the back knee down to the mat. Slowly and steadily controlled. Relax the back foot onto the mat. Bring the left hand to the outside of the right knee again. And move into low lunge twist again. And then tuck the toes of the back foot under. Slowly and gently lift that knee up. And stretch that right arm out if you like. So you're into high lunge and twist. Slowly and gently on the next exhale, come back to center. Bring the hands to the hips and lower that knee back down to the mat. And step back, either hands flat to the mat through plank or through hands to knees. Drop the knees down to the mat and step the left foot forward. Take the time here to find your balance. Lengthen up through your spine, press firmly through that front foot. Stretch the arms out wide as you inhale and draw them all the way up. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Take some nice breaths here. And then bring the right hand to the outside of the left knee. And move into twist and stretch that left arm back. Nice big breaths here. On the next exhale, come back to center. Hands back to the hips. Find your focal point. Press firmly and equally through both feet. Press the back heel away and lift the back knee up nice and steadily. Settle in here for a few breaths. And then inhale the arms all the way up by your side. Stretch through your fingertips. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Take some nice big breaths here. And if it feels okay with the arms overhead, you can start to slowly lower that back knee down to the mat. Bring the hands to the hips, whatever feels good for you. Bring the right hand to the left knee. Exhale to twist deeper, stretching the left hand out. And when you're ready, press through the back toe and move into high lunge twist. Slowly and gently exhale back to center. Drop that back knee down nice and slowly. Step that front foot back. Move into down dog. Take a breath or two here and then slowly and gently just move forward into plank. Lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Point your toes away so the tops of the feet are on the mat. Rest your feet away. Press up into low cobra. You're not coming up too high here. So you inhale, tuck your toes under again. Move into down dog. So you exhale, slowly and gently drop the forearms down to the mat. And just take a moment here to find comfort and length. And we're going to move now to move into side planks. So turn the right hand to face the left elbow and start to swivel onto the outside of your right foot as you move into forearm side planks. Step the arm, stretch the arm up. Take a few comfortable breaths in and out here, and then when you're ready on the next exhale, move back to that forearm supported position. Pause here. And then when you're ready, move into the second side. Stretch the arm out and stretch up. So all this movement is on an exhale. Slowly and gently then come back down. Working against gravity is a little bit more challenging. Back to forearm plank. Push back into dolphin pose where we're lifting the hips up, stretching the spine, getting the comfortable position of the feet, and then starting to press back up into the hands. And we're going to move into full side plank. So on the next exhale, swivel onto the outside of the right foot and stretch all the way up. Take some breaths here. slowly and gently come back to the center and get your positioning center first and then move into the second side. Stretch all the way up. You can hold these for longer breaths if you so wish, and slowly and gently moving back. Drop the knees down to the mat. Bring your bottom back to your heels. Point your feet away. Stretch your arms and fingertips out really strong, so you're in a really strong active child's pose, but yet you're keeping the shoulders away from the ears. And then bring the arms all the way back towards your feet. Soften and settle and release and relax. So that's it, your 10-minute nice dynamic warm-up flow that targets the main muscle groups in your body, joints and spine.